If you're driving without a dash cam in 2026, you're honestly taking a risk. From unexpected accidents to insurance disputes and even parking damage, having a reliable dash cam can literally save you thousands of dollars and a lot of stress. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can get confusing fast. So in today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026, ranked from number 1 to number 5, based on video quality, features, reliability, and overall value. Whether you want full 360-degree coverage, crystal clear 4K recording, or a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam. We have the BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam, and this is easily the most complete dash cam system on this list. It records in 3K resolution and features 4 separate cameras, giving you an incredible 560-degree field of view. That means front, rear, and full interior coverage all at once. You also get a 24/7 parking mode with a hardwire kit included, built-in GPS, ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and even a free 128 GB memory card right out of the box. What really makes this dash cam stand out is how complete the package is. You're not just getting a dash cam, you're getting a full vehicle surveillance system. Whether you're driving or parked, this camera setup is always watching. The video quality is sharp even at night, and the multiple camera angles eliminate blind spots almost entirely. The touchscreen is responsive, and voice control makes it safer to operate while driving. Pros: true full coverage 4-channel system, excellent parking security with hardwire support, comes with storage included, strong night vision performance, smart features like GPS and voice control. If you want the best all-in-one dash cam in 2026, this is it. Perfect for maximum protection and peace of mind. Number 2. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam, version 2. We have another BOTSLAB 4-channel dash cam. This model also offers 3K resolution, 560-degree coverage, GPS tracking, voice control, and a 3.18-inch touchscreen display. This is very similar to our number 1 pick, but with a few extras like the included hardwire kit. That said, performance-wise, it still delivers excellent coverage and reliable recording across all cameras. It's a great option if you want nearly the same experience at a slightly lower cost. Pros: full 4-channel monitoring, wide viewing angles with minimal blind spots, smooth touchscreen interface, feature-rich system. A powerful alternative to the top pick, offering almost identical performance for a bit less money. Number 3. REDTIGER F77 4K plus 4K dash cam. We have the REDTIGER F77, a premium dual-channel dash cam with true 4K recording on both front and rear cameras. It uses advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, includes built-in 128 GB storage, GPS, voice control, and a large 4-inch touchscreen. This dash cam is all about video quality. If your main goal is capturing the clearest possible footage, especially license plates and fine details, this is where the F77 shines. Daytime footage is incredibly sharp, and nighttime performance is also impressive thanks to HDR and advanced sensors. Pros: true 4K front and rear recording, excellent clarity and detail, built-in storage included, large touchscreen display, strong low-light performance. If you prioritize image quality above everything else, this is one of the best dash cams you can buy. Number 4. Vantrue N4S. We have the Vantrue N4S dash cam, a 3-channel dash cam with 2.7K front and dual 1440p interior and rear cameras. It features Starvis 2 SIM sensors, HDR, IR night vision, GPS, and supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. This dash cam is especially popular among rideshare drivers, and for good reason. The interior camera with infrared night vision performs extremely well, even in complete darkness. It's reliable, durable, and designed for long hours of use. Pros:
excellent interior night vision, high-quality sensors, huge storage capacity support, reliable long-term performance. Perfect for Uber, taxi, or anyone who needs strong interior monitoring. Number 5. ROVE R3 Dashcam. We have the ROVE R3, a 3-channel dashcam recording at 1440p front and 1080p for interior and rear. It includes a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, GPS, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick file transfers. This is a great budget-friendly option that still offers full coverage. While it doesn't have 4K resolution, it still delivers solid performance for everyday driving needs. The interface is simple and it's easy to install compared to multi-camera systems. Pros: affordable price, easy-to-use touchscreen, good overall performance, fast Wi-Fi connectivity. A solid choice for beginners or anyone looking for a reliable dashcam without spending too much money. So, that was our list of the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. If you want the most complete protection, go with the BOTSLAB 4-channel system. If you care about ultra-clear footage, the REDTIGER F77 is a fantastic pick. And if you're on a budget, the ROVE R3 still gets the job done. All product links are in the description below so you can check the latest prices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.